Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This is Misty with A Unique Treasure. I'm coming on today to share with you a vintage folio that I purchased from Grace and Lace Journals on Etsy. I am so thrilled because I have never owned a folio or made a folio. So when I did see that she posted a YouTube video a while back, I didn't even finish it. And I stopped and I ran over and I grabbed this folio because I knew it would be gone quickly. She made two, and I decided, of course, to grab the one that looked so much more pinkier. And as you see, she gave some extra goodies that I'm going to share with you today. But I really, really just appreciate the first look, as I'll call it. I love the first look, the first impressions. She really does a great job at presenting, and I love her videos. She has a YouTube channel, so make sure you go check that out. I'll go ahead and list that in the description box too. But I just am really thrilled to own a piece of her work. So the first thing I noticed is that she gave a really nice she made a bow out of this, but this is really a nice piece of netting. And it is elastic, but you can actually do a lot with this netting. So I'm not sure if I will be using it on with the folio, or if I will take this off and use it for something else because this is fantastic to have in your stash. So let's go ahead and remove that. And first, before I open this gorgeous, gorgeous piece of beauty, I'm going to first go ahead and get these cards addressed. Now, I wasn't sure if she made these or not, and then the light came on and ding, ding, ding. I decided to look at the back because usually there's a signature. So these are cards, and it said inspired by Nikki. So I'm not sure who made these cards, but they're stunning. They're they're watercolor, and in person, they're absolutely beautiful. So I just wanted to share that card with you. So I had to take a break and come back because my daughter called. So I think I was showing you these beautiful cards, and I just love them. They're so boutiquey, girly, and they're watercolor, and they're just absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Okay, so let's get to the most beautiful folio I have ever seen. I just love these. And I know in the camera they're probably pretty, but in person they're just so stunning. And the beautiful drippings, these are drippings to me. This is what I call drippings. They just make everything extend a little bit, and they're just so pretty. I know I probably shouldn't hold it. I want to though because it's so pretty. And this cameo, can y'all see that really good? I always feel like I want to bring it up just to show you this. And look how she took this beautiful, I don't even know what that is. It looks something that might be, I'm not sure. It's just so pretty. That background and this little flower with the gray here, that is just so pretty. And the way she layered this lace and this on top of it with the scallop is just absolutely gorgeous. This paper, I'm not sure what paper that is or if she made that paper, but it is beautiful. And the sewing on this, wow, look at this. It is, oh my goodness, I'm giving things away here. I got so excited when I just opened that. It's so pretty. I want to make something like this. I do. This beautiful applique. I want to open this up so you can see. It looks like, and I did watch the video, but it's been a minute. That she took a file folder or paper and she layered it with some things to give it that nice crunchy, you hear that feeling? And This is such a really gorgeous applique, and it has something back here. It has a little pretty cute envelope. Look at that. I love these little envelopes, and I knew there'd be something in it because of her. And it's a couple pieces of cut apart. How cute is that? I love this little envelope, and I love the colors of it. It is so pretty, that paper. And Lene, you are just the sweetest, kindest person. The comments that you put on my videos and the things you say to me, it's just so encouraging. She's such an encouraging person. So I'm going to put this back because I don't want to put. So she made a little pocket out of this. How clever is that? And the beading on here. This is just these little pieces behind just really make this so elegant, shabby. And I'm trying to fold this up so I don't ruin the presentation. Let's get this back. I'm kind of trying to keep this up. I just did something wrong because it's not wanting to shut now. But as you see, the different colors and levels of the paper. And then we are going to open it up. Look at this gorgeous tassel. Oh my. I'm a left to right kind of girl, so I'm going to start over here first. So we have this beautiful, gorgeous lace. Look at all this lace that she added here, and the beads extend here. How pretty. So all this is just to take note. I like to point out all this because these little details is just what make things stand out. They're just so beautiful. I feel like I sometimes overdo my stuff because I just want it to be so pretty, and she just tastefully, elegantly decorates this stuff so beautiful. Here's another applique piece up here. Oh, I love that. This must be from like Jennifer a Trace of Sparkle. This looks like something that would come from her Baroque digitals. We're both design team for her, and she actually manages the design team. See, here we are. Oh, how pretty is this? Handmade with love just for you. Love, Grace and Lace Journals. Thank you, Lene. And then we have some really beautiful, bright. I love this. I love how it's so the jewel tones are just gorgeous and so regal too. This is. It gives a French regal feel. And I believe this is from the Baroque. Look how pretty that shows up in the camera. That's awesome. And this is probably a folded up piece of paper from that. That's great because you can journal on it, or I can. I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. I might make this actually into something that holds ephemera for my shabby journals that I'm doing, the things I make. Yes, I've seen this. I think this is a couple of her kits, if I remember correctly. Jennifer at a Trace of Sparkle. And how she just like gathered and folded this over is awesome. I'm not so brave like that. I would have cut this, and if I wanted it to go over a little bit, it would have been a little scallopy, but I love this. I just super love this. And I love this trim, of course. I love these flowers. I'd like to know where you got those from. They're super gorgeous and super shabby. And then there's another piece of if I would have looked in here first and wrote down the kits, it would have been easier. But all you have to do is go to Trace of Sparkle and you'll see them in there. And then look at this gorgeous image. That looks really good, the way you cut that out and left it back in there. I always, if I don't use my scan and cut, I'm not really sure how to make those look right, but you made that look super pretty. Look how gorgeous that image is and how rich the colors are. So I'm going to go ahead and go out here to the outside and look at this and how beautiful that is. I love that. And it's so sparkly, and I don't know if the colors are picking up in here, that it's gathering from the room. And of course, I love this. This is in my favorite color scheme. So I'm going to see what's in here and take the stuff out that's in here. Let's see, because I knew there was something else in here. But look at the inside. I love that is like parchment paper or something like that. That's great. It opens. It's very sturdy. It's not like I don't feel like I'm gonna rip it or anything. So this has been just wonderful looking at her folio. Okay, I just had to pause it because I'm at the end of this cold, this horrible, horrible cold I got from one of my grandchildren when they were visiting. But I love them to death. So, oh, look at this. Look how beautiful this is. How she gathered this and put this here. That is a really beautiful applique. And I love the feel of this bag. Boy, she scrunched that up really good. This is wonderful. I love it. I love it. Okay, so looks like she tea dyed that. Not sure if it's coffee or tea. And here is this I was just shocked that this just kept giving and giving. This is just so beautiful. And there's just so much more every time, every turn and corner and pocket. How nice is that? Okay, so here is some more of Jennifer's papers. They're so pretty. And love this trim. I think I have some of this too. And I think this came from, I'm a on design team for Angel Craft Chem on Etsy, and I believe Angel Crafts Chem on Etsy, and I believe that that's the same that I stuff that I got. Oops, it's falling out of here. Sorry. Oh my goodness, look at how beautiful this is. I haven't been able to properly go through any of this since I got it because it's just been so crazy busy here, which is good. It's been a good thing. So this is just beautiful. And look at this. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. So we have, I'm back to, I'm a left to right kind of girl. Here's these cute little pockets. Look at these. I just love how she did that. What a great idea. Some more little cut aparts. Some more little cut aparts. Oh, look at that. I love that. I love that. Just love that. I got to work with that kid, I think. And see, you're inspiring me so much. And then this gorgeous, let me see what this is. I wonder if I could pick this up. Okay. So this actually, I think, slips in here and holds it in here. I'm not sure if she had it laid in there or if I just pulled it out, but it is just so pretty. Let's see. I'm not sure. Oh, looky here. All right. That is stunning. I love that. So she took a bag and folded it over. How clever. This is great. We might have a video on this. I'm gonna have to go watch it. And then she made a tuck with it. How awesome is that? And so this is a paper pad. And then here is something to journal on, I'm sure. I don't want to mess it up. Open up freely, so I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Okay, yep. This is a piece of paper to journal on. This is super cute. I love it. I do. I want to make a bunch of these. Okay, I'm gonna set it apart because I don't want to ruin it. And then look at what she did to the bottom of this paper. She added some more of that beautiful lace. Some more from the kit here, some cut aparts. Okay. And then some more. Look, you can just go, how awesome is that? Put a little writing board back here and just, or if you're writing on a flat surface, but usually I'm not because I like to really embellish. Oh, here we go. And then here's a little secret tuck. She's got more of that great paper on here. This is fabulous. I love it. Okay, let's see. What is this holding in here? Some more that little, look at their like little file cards, index cards. I like this, how you did that. And then we have our little tuck there. Oops. And this goes maybe here. Let's just put it here for now so it'll stick out there. Okay. And look at this pretty charm. This is great. I love this. This is a really neat idea. This is a great scrap buster idea too. I think that this is going to be something I'm doing. I'm definitely leaving this on my desk because things that get left on my desk mean that I don't want to forget about it and I want to get to it. So this is going to be great. I have a huge cardboard box, two of them filled with 4 years worth of scraps. So I'm not really, oh, this is a beautiful kit. I printed this kit out. This is a great kit. Um, yeah, how wonderful. This is just wonderful. Lene, you are gifted, talented. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me. Thank you for all your support. My next video is going to be a giveaway because I'm at 600. Woo! I'm so happy about that. I am just shocked too because of how on and off I've been with videos. But you're going to see a lot more of me because I do have a lot of design teams I'm designing for. I just have been slow with it because, again, I've been really sick and family came to visit and, things just pull me out of my room. And I'm not one to come in here late at night and craft. I do everything I do first thing in the morning. But anyways, thank you so much, everybody, for all your support. 600 subby giveaway prize is coming up. It's going to be just a small little token. My tokens are good. And then I'm going to share with you my 1,000 subscriber giveaway and I hope that we reach it rather quickly because, things kind of seem to slow down a little bit if it doesn't get reached right away. And so this is going to be a big one, though. It's going to be wonderful. And it's also a design team project that I'm using Angel Craft Kim's laces and flowers and bling in. So definitely join me. Make sure you ring that bell, go to the bell where you subscribed and click all so you get notifications when I have that video come out for the giveaway. Thank you again. Bye bye.